everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. And I have my monthly Canyon Hollow Decor subscription box. And this is, I guess it would be the November box, right? Is that right? It's October. Do we get a box ahead of time? I think it is. So this is the November box. So yes, let's dive in. So the Canyon Hollow Decor is a monthly box. I believe, if I remember correctly, I think it's $89 a month plus shipping and handling. I believe it is. She does have a quarterly box as well. I want to say, is that one $169 maybe? I was so excited to actually get the box. I just jumped on and started taping and didn't confirm my pricing. And I believe she does only ship in the US. I think that's true as well. But what's cool about her subscription is she always caters to a certain area of your home every year. So I have not seen an unboxing yet for this. So I don't know what part of my home she's decorating, you guys, for this month. So we're going to find out together. So she always does a wax seal. Ooh, so pretty, so pretty. And I have it upside down. So bear with me. Okay. So do you see, guys? Look how pretty it is. I mean, if you are able to manage this price point every month, it is always a treat. A huge treat to get this. So let me pull stuff out. Got the things out of the box. And as I unwrap these, you are going to see behind a pile of boxes. I'm unboxing a lot right now. So what we have, we have this card, and we are not going to dive into it yet because I don't want it to give away anything. But the first item we have here is a pot holder. I love the color. I love the little leather strap here. This isn't just a normal pot holder. Look how thick it is, you guys. It is like 2 pot holders in one. It is very thick. So this is definitely going to absorb whatever you put on top of it. Yes, very nice pot holder. So I'm going to set that right there, and we are going to open the first little item right here. So I'm wondering, in the US, we're coming upon the Thanksgiving holiday. So I'm wondering if, and when I look here, it just the little card they had right off the top, it just says Thanksgiving prep checklist. So I'm wondering if we are going to be giving things to celebrate that holiday. I don't know. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Oops. Okay, so when you open these boxes, be very careful. Do not do what I did and just rip them apart because things will scatter. All right, you guys. So we have 6 little pumpkins that comes with little place cards. How cute is that? So we have got the place cards, and we've got 5 more pumpkins. That is going to look so pretty on my table setting. Okay, next item. Wonder what this one is. Okay, so I'm finally in this box. Oh, okay. Let me get these out. And we have 3 decorative acorns. Look at those. One more. So there are 3 different sizes. Now, aren't these going to make a beautiful display on your dining room table at Thanksgiving, or on any other type of display you have? But look how pretty they are. All right, last but not least, and this is a hefty box. Okay, I saw something on the bottom that says set of 3. I hope that just didn't, well, didn't give it away. Just, I know it's a set of 3. But I don't know. Well, I'm seeing care and maintenance. Oh. Okay. What it is from the outside of the box, Sweetwater Decor cast iron taper candle holders. And this is a nice hefty weight here. It says illuminate every day. Okay. So there is some protective styrofoam. So I am going to have to cut through this. Ooh, these are pretty, you guys. So they are wrapped very well. They have some protective packaging. Oh, look how pretty that is. Let me stand that there. It looks like they might be 3 different sizes. Maybe? Yes, 3 different sizes. Look how pretty. Okay, those, let me see if I can put something behind them so that you can see these better. Okay, you can see them a little bit better. Look how pretty they are, you guys. 3 taper holders. It says dust with soft, lint-free, dry cloth, and it says melted wax can be gently scrubbed off. Very nice. So now let's read what it says here. Thanksgiving prep checklist. Candlesticks lit on the buffet. Placeholders set on the table. Tablecloth pressed. Trivet out for hot food. Centerpiece arranged. And decorative autumn decor with our 3 different size acorns. So, thankful touches in the November mini box. So we have the set of 3 antique gold iron candle holders, harvest gold pumpkin place card holder, set of 6, set of 3 harvest acorns, and the woven trivet. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. So, another amazing monthly mini home decor box from Canyon Hollow. Love it. So, hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I am sorry that you were seeing the big box of trash back here. I apologize for that. But I hope you enjoy this unboxing, and thank you for spending some time with me, you guys. Bye, everyone.